On this episode, I'll show you how to create this mod Christmas tree, a fun project for the whole family. Paint the entire tree with holly branch paint. I painted 2 coats to get an even finish. With a small tipped paintbrush, paint small streaks of lime green paint to add depth. Using a wider brush, dry brush white paint on the tips of each tree layer to add the appearance of snow. And finally, adhere decorative strings of beads, faceted gems, and a tree topper using a hot glue gun. For this and more fun projects and project supplies, visit our website. And don't forget to like us on social media.